Want to make your Google Slides presentations look professional and visually stunning? One of the easiest ways is by placing an image behind your text to create a clean, eye-catching design. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open your Google Slides and select the slide where you want the effect. Insert the image you want to use by going to Insert Greater Than Image and choose your source. Once your image is on the slide, right-click on it. From the menu, select Order, then click Send to Back. This instantly places your image behind all other elements, including your text, so your message stays readable. Next, you can make your design even more effective by adjusting the image's transparency. Click on the image, go to Format Options, and then Adjustments. Here, sliding the transparency bar lets your text stand out more while keeping the image visible. Play around with brightness and contrast too for the perfect balance. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can turn any basic slide into a professional-looking design, making your presentations more engaging and memorable. Try this trick on your next slide and watch your designs come alive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to experiment with different images and text styles for endless creative possibilities.